Hello there, welcome to today's video. Please like and subscribe and we'll get right on with it. So for today's video, I'm going to be covering a very major blizzard that's going to be blasting through portions of the Midwest. Now, what makes this blizzard very extraordinary, like unlike any other, is not only are the winds going to be higher, but also this low will rest over Wisconsin, which will bring a prolonged impacts, which could lead to significant travel delays that will just last, that would seem forever, and also lots of tree and power line damage. A lot of that wind blowing at 60 to 65 miles per hour for over hours on end is likely going to leave a lot of damage. So that's going to be super impactful. So you have high wind warnings in effect in these oranges, and then in the red, that's blizzard warnings. Towards the eastern half, expect mainly 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, not nearly as strong, but will still cause some minor tree damage. But the lots of blowing drifting. It's towards the west end, though. That's where you could see some gusts to 60 miles per hour. So the snow will just whip everywhere, tall drifts possible. And then also, visibilities will be pretty much zero at times. Like, you will probably barely even see your hand bad. And then not only do the impacts here, but you'll also notice wind advisories from Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri. So, although not as strong, shows that the impacts are vast. They have winter weather advisories right here. Mainly expect 3 to 6, maybe 7 inches in the zone, and then a bit of winter storm warnings there. Here's right now. So, snow, sometimes heavy in spots in west central Wisconsin and Minnesota. So then we move that in, the snowband just quickly develops it. Then you'll notice that low, just sitting over just north of Dubuque and south of Rochester, that heavy snow would develop. And then if you're on the north side of this, the snow will be coming in from the south, and then from the western side, you'll have the snow coming in from the east northeast. So right here over Door County, portions of Menominee, Escanaba, stuff like that. The rain could actually mix with snow at times over the lakeshore. Same thing over here and here. The rain will mix with snow at times. Then here, the snow just continues, and so it does it here, just much heavier. And then just continues. Here's early Saturday morning. It is still going on, and then lasts pretty much through most of Saturday, and then pushes off there, but then additional snow showers could develop there. So I will now show you the snowfall accumulation. So here, around 4 to 6 inches here, although it shows up to 9 here. Then by this point here, it's just more of additional snow accumulations, which will mainly 7 to 11 more inches possible, although some locally higher amounts of 12 more inches are possible. Then this is new. It now has a heavier snowfall band here as well. National Weather Service isn't really concerned about that, though. Like, they're not really predicting it. Let's see what the name has to say about it. See if there's gonna be differences, but in the name spot, same thing, except here it's a bit more impactful. Like, not as much, but it's over a greater area, like widespread 5 to 8 inch amounts here, and then also more 11 and 12 inch amounts. Then GFS. Let's see here. Still in the middle of a 18Z run. Yeah, it's not quite as heavy here, but then here, different story. Let's check the herd. Great short model. Now, obviously, this ain't the entire event, but it will give us an idea of, like, how much could fall. So here's where there could be up to 12 inches of snow. Here, mainly, like, around 8. Here, around mainly 3 to 5, so. Then I want to cover more on that wind. So again, here, you could see gusts to 60 to 65 miles per hour, so high-profile vehicles will be tipped. Snow will just blow everywhere and all that kind of crazy stuff. So that's the video for today.